Connecting Tradovate to TradingView allows you to use TradingView's advanced charting and analysis tools while executing trades directly to Tradovate. Here's how you can do it. Create accounts. Ensure you have an active Tradovate account and a TradingView account. Sign up and log into both accounts if you haven't already. Access Tradovate API key. Log into your Tradovate account. Navigate to your account settings and find the API access section. Generate an API key that will allow Tradovate to connect with TradingView. Log into TradingView. Open TradingView in your browser or app. Log into your TradingView account. Add Tradovate as a broker in TradingView. In TradingView, open the chart view. Click on the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. Select Tradovate from the list of supported brokers. When prompted, enter your Tradovate API key to authenticate the connection. Start trading. Once connected, you can view live price charts and use TradingView's tools to analyze the markets. Execute trades directly from TradingView using your Tradovate account, benefiting from both platforms' features.